Hello everyone. Today we are going to have a case study based seminar by second ADA students Madhushri, Lakshya, Logeshwari and Beulah. So they are going to explain the topic called spam mail detection. So this is a real time application where we are going to detect whether the particular mail is a spam mail or not. So in this case, in machine learning, we have so many case study application to detect a spam mail. For example, we can have a supervised machine learning algorithm classification problem. So the classification algorithm helps to detect whether the particular mail is a spam or not. So let's forward to the students.
Hello everyone, myself Madhushri. Now we are going to discuss about design thinking, or title of spam mail detection, empathy, understanding the problem and user. In this case, we understand the people who are affected by spam email. Who are the user? Student using email for college communication, working professional, receiving official and personal email, organizing, managing customer email, elderly people who may not identify fraudulent link, user pain point, inbox crowded with unwanted promotional email, difficulty identify phishing or fraudulent email, risk for clicking harmful link, virus or malware, time wasted, editing from manually, fear of losing important mail with spam, source of information, interview with student, teachers, office staff, observing email usage behavior, studying common spam type, phishing, ad, scam, malware email.
Let's see define. Core problem. User receive many unwanted or harmful emails and manually filtering them is time consuming and risky. Problem statement. User need a smart system that can automatically identify, classify and filtering spam emails so that inbox remain safe, clean and organized. Goal. Reduce the number of spam mail receiving box. Improve user safety for phishing link. Automatically separate important mail from unwanted emails. Reduce the human effort.
Myself Lakshya, I am going to describe about IGE. Possible features. Keyword analysis. Detect suspicious words like win, money, lottery, agent, free gift. Machine learning classifiers. Uses models such as native Bayes, logical regression to detect spam. Blacklist checking. Blocking known spam and address or domains. Link scanning. Check if URL inside mail are harmful. Attachment scanning. Detect malware or suspicious file types. User feedback loop. Users mark spam system. Learn and improves. Brainstorming ideas. What if the system reads email patterns and learn automatically? What if every mail gets a spam score to like or 0 to 10? What if spam is auto-deleted after 30 days? What is suspicious email triggers warning before opening?
Myself, Beulah. I am going to explain about the topic prototypes.
Run sample emails, promotional, phishing, knowledge. Evaluate model accuracy. Ask users to test their own emails. Compare system output with manual classification. Test models. Accuracy, precision, recall, false positives, false negatives. User feedback. System successfully separates 80 to 95% of the spam. Easy to use. Needs improvement in detecting new spam patterns. More customized required. Custom rules, custom blacklist.
Input model accepts raw image text. It extracts in the subject message bodies. Reprocessing. It removes the stop words. It converts into a lowercase. Tokenize the words. Extracts features. Machine learning model. For example, native Bayes train on spam and non-spam data sets. Calculates probability of each mail being spam. Next, we're going to see about output model. Display spam, non-spam or suspicious. Simple prototype. Representation. Model functions. Email input receives email text from users. Reprocessing clean and tokenized text. Features extractions out of suspicious words. ML model predicts spam. Results shows classification output.
thank you everyone for participating in this seminar. So actually they have developed a mini project based on this spam mail detection. So thank you.